Hi guys.
How are you? Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog guys. Ayan. Kamusta ang lahat? Kamusta kayo sa ang sulok ng mundo guys? Kasi dito mainit pa rin September na. Nasa gitna na ng September, mainit pa rin. Kaya sana next month malamig na. Maganda na yung klima. Kaya laban lang tayo guys dito sa Middle East. Ayan, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, lalo na sa mga team lovers. Shout out guys, lalo na sa admin namin, si Kordapia, si Maria Musang. Ayan, sa kaibigan namin na si Miss Apayaw, Miss Agin, si Miss Ibu. Sino pa?
Mama.
Si Sis Gandara. Si Sis. The door is open.
Yeah.
Daddy close. Si Mami Nas, ayan, yan yung mga team lovers na hanggang ngayon nandyan pa rin guys. Sino pang hindi ko na-mention. Kaya, ayan, si founder namin, si Sid88OLM. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa kanila, please subscribe.
Mama.
Po.
The door is open.
No, that is a close. Si, ayan guys, nandito kaming tatlo. O, si hi guys, sanay pedali.
Hi guys.
Okay.
Welcome my channel.
Ano tanana? You did not talk
Mama, look,
properly.
Mama,
You should talk properly with them, eh.
Mama, look.
Because you're going school now, right?
Would you want to have my eyes?
Look.
Okay, Ayan guys, ayan siya bumalik. Ayan si Malik. Punta kami ng clinic guys kasi nga sakit yung ipin niya, bumalik. Kaya yun, kailangan niya. Kasi ako ayoko man sobrang sakit yan guys, natutuma ako dyan. Kaya ako nga, mayroon din ako dito. Gusto ko yung ipatanggal.
Hey, get away from me.
Ha?
Get away from my mommy.
Get away from my mommy. Why?
Throw them down.
Kaya ayan guys. Ayan, nagpunta na yan si Malik sa school. Nag-aaral na siya. What you're doing in the school? Tell them, B, what you're doing in the school.
You don't give it. I can't start.
Why? Why teacher did? Because you are not very good. That's why teacher did not give you star.
No, because we need to sing loudly.
You what? What?
Sing very noisy. Sing noisy.
Sing noisy.
Yeah.
Oh, so why you did not sing noisy?
You should make like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this.
Oh, then you did not say like that? But how many minutes am I from our home to here, the clinic?
Like how hour? 22
30
minutes.
minutes.
Fahid this one. Because I have branch in Dajir, but full today. So only this point in Fahid. So better I go.
So it means this it's not I think this is a private, not government.
We'll see now because first time I handle with Zimene.
Yes. Tagal-tagal na rin na hindi kami naka-vlog guys. Busy kasi. Kaya ayan, ngayon papunta kami ng Pahil. Anong oras pa lang dito? Mag-2 o'clock ng hapon. Kasi ang appointment niya is 3 p.m. Kaya ayan guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung dadaanan natin kasi maliwanag. Kaya ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Yung madadaanan natin.
Just sit down and
Please.
behind us.
Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa Pahil guys. Malapit na tayo sa clinic na pupuntahan namin. Yan, dito na tayo.
الخروج من الدوار على بعد 500 متر الاتجاه نحو اليمين.
Where is that exactly, Ahmed? Huh?
خلاص we are in 2 minutes.
What the name for the
Building Yale building.
building? What the name for
Daman.
Adaman?
على بعد 300 متر الاتجاه نحو اليسار.
Pakistan. First time namin napunta dito, guys. Hindi pa masyado alam ni Abu.
I'll call this one عشان صح؟
Why where
ايه
you Abu?
we are here 1 minute.
Where's the blue now? No more blue.
Here Malik, wallah, I feel pain in my teeth. Just wait. I finish, then I bring for you, okay?
But I'm hungry.
Please, right?
Hungry.
We'll barbecue, right?
Hungry.
You eat barbecue.
Hungry.
حاضر يا ملك.
Hungry.
Okay.
Hungry.
Hi guys, I have